Only feels like I've been out of bed for about half an hour, but I kept dozing off because it was hounding last night with rain. So I was shaking most of the tarp off to get most of the rain off. So I don't want to pack it away wet. Mainly because water has weight. The weight of water. So next time I want to bring more paracord. I got tons of the stuff and it's really, really cheap. But if I bring one of the long pieces, I can use that to create like a lattice on the backside to keep the tarp further out. It wasn't an issue, it didn't get wet from it. It's just that now and again it was like a fat ex-girlfriend trying to nick all the bed, kept trying to push you out. So yeah, pack away time. Not rushing, but yeah. It's a nice location for a fire pit. It's just the right height to mess about with without having to worry about fucking my knees up. That was a hassle with the other places. I had to actually get down to ground level to tend the fire on a really steep slope. I mean, here is a steep slope, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was up there. And I could always get myself, or make, if I can find that hazel tree, the cob tree, I can use some of the twigs from that to make a little mat, just weave it together kind of thing, something to sit on. So I'm not going to be sitting on wet moss. Yeah. It really is, it recharges your brain getting away from Wi-Fi signals for a while. Fire is now dead. You can tell by the smell in the air, like damp charcoal. Actually give me a nice little pile of charcoal for next time for emergencies, which I can always stash somewhere. If the squirrels don't nick it, thieving free fuckers. The temptation to put the hammock back up and go for a nap. Nothing to see here. No damage to the trees. There's a bit of cord left in that twig. A little bit of cord left in that twig. It's literally 20 centimetres long each, so they can stay here. Aside from a damp patch, there is no sign of been here. And of course some ashes. Ashes from ashes. But that can go there. You can tell the fire is out because I'm not burning myself. That way it's not as visible from the track, which is 50, 100 metres down that way. Yeah, fire's out. All is well in the world, apart from me being really, really sweaty and my... Fuck! Shit! Bastard! Oh my god! I thought I'd been stung. I wasn't being stung, I was being bitten by Holly. Yes, I know! I twatted you off the branch because you were in the way. There. Oh, I felt like dig into my inner thigh, and I thought I was being stung by something, by a bee. Put my hand down, I get stung lots of times. Yeah, by a holly leaf. Yes, you have great self-defense mechanisms. You, yeah. Oh, must remember to take my radio. I mean, in all likelihood, it would still be here next week, if I come back up here next week. Last bit of coffee to go, and that's me done. No mess left behind.